Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic in the realm of AI, optical character recognition or OCR, especially focusing on powerful model from Hugging Face called Stephen AI, got OCR 2.0. Whether you are a developer or a data scientist or simply curious about AI, this video will break down how this model works and its practical application. So what is Stephen AI Code OCR 2.0? First, let's talk about what Stephen AI Code OCR. This model is designed for OCR tasks, meaning it can read and extract text from images, build on advanced deep learning techniques. It offers robust performance across various scenarios, making it a go-to solution for many applications. Now let's explore its main use cases. Syntax OCR. One of the most common applications is syntax recognition. Imagine taking a picture of a street sign, a menu, or any text in the wild. This model can accurately identify and extract that text, allowing you to interact with your environment in new ways, like translating text in real time or extracting information on the go. Document OCR. Next, we have document OCR. This involves scanning, printing document, receipt, or form to convert them into editable text. With Stephen AI Got OCR 2.0, you can streamline workflow by digitizing paperwork, making it easier to store, search, and manage information. This is particularly useful for business looking to enhance productivity and reduce manual data entry. Fine grained OCR. Finally, we have fine-grained OCR. This is where the model excels in understanding complex layout like those found in academic papers, scientific journals, or multi-column articles. It's not just about reading text, it's about understanding the context, formatting, and structure, which is crucial for accurate data extraction. Stephen AI Code OCR tool is an incredibly versatile tool in the OCR landscape. From reading street sign to digitizing complex documents, its applications are vast and impactful. If you are interested in leveraging this model for your own project, be sure to check it out on Hugging Face. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insight into cutting edge technology. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next video where we continue to explore the fascinating world of AI and data. Bye for now.